Lucy, my English vocabulary is as empty as my wallet after grocery shopping.
That bad? Can you at least say a full sentence in English?
Of course. Hello, I am coffee, please.
Max, that's not a sentence. That's a survival instinct.
Exactly. I only learn words I need to survive, like food, Wi-Fi, and help.
Oh dear. We need an emergency vocabulary upgrade.
Can you teach me? But make it fun. No boring textbook stuff.
Don't worry. I have the ultimate vocabulary boosting strategy. It's called the 3 E's: expose, engage, and embarrass.
Ah. Embarrass doesn't sound like a good time.
Trust me. You'll never forget words again. Step 1. Expose yourself to English. First, expose yourself.
Lucy, this is a family cafe.
Not like that. I mean, expose yourself to more English. Surround yourself with it. Read books, watch movies, listen to podcasts.
So, just binge watch Netflix?
Exactly. But watch with subtitles in English. Your brain connects the words with their meanings.
So if I watch Friends, I'll learn words like pivot and we were on a break.
Yes, but also normal vocabulary. Try audiobooks or news channels, too.
Ooh, news is boring.
Fine. Watch cartoons. You'll learn useful words and feel young again.
I'm already young and fabulous.
Sure, Grandpa. Next, engage. Don't just see words, use them. Say them out loud. Write them. Play word games.
So, like, when I learn a new word, I should just throw it into conversation?
Yes. Like if you learn serendipity, you can say, "It was serendipity that I found this amazing cafe with free Wi-Fi and a vocabulary coach named Lucy."
Or, "It was serendipity that I forgot my wallet, so Lucy is paying for my coffee."
You can also use the word delusional.
Noted.
Try making funny sentences with new words. The crazier, the better, it helps you remember them.
Oh. Like, Lucy's coffee addiction is astronomical.
Perfect. Also true. Step 3. Embarrass yourself, in a good way. Now for the fun part, embarrass yourself.
I'm afraid to ask.
Speak English without fear. Make mistakes. When you mess up, you'll never forget the correct word.
So if I confidently go to a bakery and ask for a dozen flabbergasted muffins, people will remember me.
Yes. And they might give you a free muffin, just to get you out.
Nice. Free food and vocabulary practice. Win-win.
See? You get it. Now, another trick, talk to yourself in English.
Oh, I already do that, but usually, it's me arguing with myself about eating cake.
That still counts. Narrate your day. Now I am drinking coffee. Now I am learning English. Now I am realizing Lucy is a genius.
I like that last part. Okay, but what if I learn words today and forget them tomorrow?
Easy. Use flashcards, word apps, or a vocabulary journal. Write down words and funny sentences with them.
Oh. Like, Max's vocabulary is improving as fast as a sleepy snail.
Hey, progress is progress.
What about learning words through music?
Brilliant. Listen to English songs and look up lyrics. Just don't learn from rap songs too fast, or you'll start speaking in rhymes.
Challenge accepted. Alright, I'm ready. Time to expose, engage, and embarrass myself into fluency.
That's the spirit. Now, let's pay for the coffee.
Ah, Lucy, this moment is truly serendipitous.
If you think using serendipitous will get you out of paying, you are mistaken.
Okay, okay. I'll pay. But next time, I'll use my new vocabulary skills to charm my way into a free coffee.
You mean manipulate?
Same thing. See? I'm learning already.